Hello everyone, JRDL96 here with a brand new reaction video. As you could tell by the title, it's another Markiplier video, and it's him playing Uno with Bob and Wade. Now, let me make this perfectly clear before I start. This is going to be the only video, because I know that Mark has plenty of other videos of him playing Uno with Bob, Wade, Jack, whatever, whomever. Him playing Uno. And I don't want, and some of them were almost an hour long, and I just don't want to drag on and make those hour-long videos for you guys. So, but I'll have to only make an exception for this video in particular, so I might as well react to the latest one he put out for a good reason, which I'll explain later on at the very end. So, I might as well get right into it. So, without further ado, let's react to this video, shall we?
I'm firing it up. Our favorite game, totally fair. I still haven't updated my profile picture.
Great, that's a good picture.
How do I do? Okay, how do I do this? How do
you
I
have to go through? You have to go through. You play it.
What? Yeah, I did mine on my Xbox 360 somehow.
do it?
It's a process.
Xbox 360.
No,
How the hell do you still have that
I have
thing?
to log in the website? Why would I need to go here? I'll sign in. I got it. Here we go.
Through Steam or something? Like, use your Steam account.
Too small.
What?
You know, it's a too small.
Listen,
file.
Mark, not everyone's blessed with a normal size or enlarged file. Some of us just have small files.
Yes, no, buddy, it's nothing to be ashamed of. Okay.
All right, I got it.
You shouldn't be ashamed of how
I'm
small
not
it is.
ashamed.
It's okay.
I'm not ashamed.
I'm glad. I'm good. Good. That's good. That's good.
All right, when does my picture update here?
Never.
I think you have to restart your game, or restart Uplay, or restart Steam. There's something.
All right, I'll restart the game.
Oh yeah, please, by all means.
Dang, it's fine. It's good.
Here it comes.
Uno.
Sure, we're ready.
Uno, motherfucker.
Audio on the fly
Yeah,
with
please
this thing.
do. Yeah, do that.
No,
That's
it's crazy, right? It's awesome.
It's so cool.
Okay, I'll just...
Barbara. Wow.
It's got a soundboard now. Fuck Barbara.
Why am I alone in this lobby right now?
I'm still
Barbara.
loading. It's stuck loading.
Oh,
Barbara.
stop.
This is f***ing Barbara's fault. Barbara. This is f***ing Barbara's fault. Got it. I'm good to go.
He's got a soundboard going now.
Connection. Hey, toss me another one of those invites.
You're not even. I can't even see you
Don't
online.
do it.
I only see.
Not like this.
What? Am I not online? Is it because I tried to update my profile picture?
Probably. I told
I'm
you
gonna
to
get out of this.
Let's see if Mark, I sent you another invite.
Hang on, I gotta load it.
All of a sudden, you appeared online.
I'm getting out of Uno. I got online as soon as I exited the game.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wow.
Sure. Right. I got this. Baby. This is f***ing Barbara's fault.
Oh my god. Who the fuck is Barbara?
Your own self.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, it fucking is.
You right. You right.
This is Barbara's fault.
Ubisoft.
Barbara. You right.
Yeah, you right.
God damn it.
Barbara. You right. I got it.
The soundboard.
Shit.
We're eventually gonna go to a stream.
You right.
We like recorded every.
Get out Dusty to play.
To him, but he won't even be there.
Oh yeah. Oh, me too, man. Oh yeah.
Who the fuck is Barbara, honestly? I have no idea. I'm pretty sure I am a noob at this now.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure it's somebody they probably played against.
Oh, no way. Oh, me too, man. Yes, I agree.
He's just recording soundboard bits. He's recording soundboard.
He's laughing at his own recording.
Come on, Mark.
It's still fucking blank. All
Oh,
right,
shit.
dude.
Wasted all this time.
Damn it!
Play some Uno.
Are you sure you guys are ready? You don't want to
Wait.
fucking fuck you.
Yes, I agree.
Stop.
Man. I don't have to say yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Got it. Here we go.
Either Wade or Bob is dying.
Glowbox or bot? It's gotta be.
Oh my god, the Rayman version? The Rayman one? A jumpin'.
Nice play. Skip
Thanks.
glow box.
Thank you.
Rayman.
Skip me. No, you didn't. Okay, I see.
Who's playing?
It's raw.
Who the hell's playing? Al Dusty, Al Luna, Al Pudding.
What is that?
I think this just reveals the hand. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, look at that sweet +4.
Look at that +4 over there.
That's a good for Mark.
You don't know.
Oh.
Ah,
That's not.
oh shit. +2, +4.
I sort of figured.
Well, that's not so good for glow. Except for he had 2 of these.
Yep.
Oh, well.
Oh.
Ah.
Hey,
Oh.
Well, that sucks.
Hey, everyone's having a good time now.
It's always great.
Aha!
Now jump in.
We're off to the most depressing start to Uno possible.
Glow, you can play a 9. Do it. Fuck you.
Oh shit!
Fuck you! Fuck yellow. Fuck the P.
Oh no.
Dear me.
Oh god.
I would challenge. I don't trust him.
I don't think it's fine. It's fine.
Why don't you use your +4?
Well, sorry,
You
Wade.
can stack a +8. You dummy.
Oh,
That's
dear
fine.
me. All
It's
right.
fine.
It's
Wait,
fine.
what's a good color for you to punish him?
Red. All right. That's a
No.
really good color for me to punish.
That's
Big
not a
punish.
punishment.
Oh yeah, they gained 3 more cards.
No!
Well, okay. Draw some cards, bud.
Only 1 card.
Silence.
Oh, I was muted. Barbara just donated and said I did nothing, and you.
There he goes!
Barbara's in my chat talking shit.
Oh, okay. There you go, Bob.
Whoa, hey, whoa, let's not
No,
do that.
no.
Don't do that.
Oh.
Wait a minute.
What?
Deflected.
What? What the?
Eat
What?
dick.
That thing.
Deflected.
That thing
That
fucked you
was
hard.
the best card in the deck.
What is that?
What is this shit?
Look at everyone's hand and look at mine.
Look at everybody else's hand.
Red.
Mark has like
And wait, how many? you
14, the whole deck on his fucking hand.
2.
got? No, you had 3. Okay.
Mark has the whole deck.
Well, that's not.
Yeah, I was tired of the red. I was hoping you had red, so just playing fucking red. And
What's wrong with red?
Bob.
Red's fine.
Now,
I'm
don't.
trying to remember what color Wade had. I believe he has green and yellow.
Bob, that's not good. I know what you're gonna do with that. I know what you have that's that color.
Uno.
No, I don't think you know.
Mark, you don't want to let this happen, buddy.
Oh, God.
Bob.
Nah.
Oh no.
Oh, hey, Mark.
That's
Ha!
word.
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
Yeah,
That's
what?
cool, bud. That's
Ha! I
It's
hate
a rough time left.
this rule. I don't like. I don't like this rule. This is not Uno. It's
Oh, okay,
just.
well, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just like a rule they came up with.
Yeah, I thought you would.
I don't like that. I don't play with that rule. If I play Uno, I'm never playing with that damn rule. And then he ends up with his hand again.
Wade has a yellow. Let's get
Wow.
Wade.
Come on,
Damn it.
come on.
Wait, leave it yellow. Leave it yellow. It's fine. I
left
got
the yellow
that.
for you,
No,
Bob.
I got
Whoa,
this.
whoa. No!
Oh, well, that's not good. I guess that's
This
fine.
better?
Yes, it is.
Yeah!
No.
What
Hey!
did you get, Wade? That is
My
really...
brilliant
Honestly,
brilliant
that
scheme.
is what you deserve.
I
Honestly.
schemed so well, though. Remember that time that I schemed it?
Yeah, I remember.
No, I do not.
We all remember. Everybody remembers that.
It was a good time.
That was the hand. That was the card he was gonna win with.
That's what you get for helping Bob.
Whoa. Listen,
What I get for
I've
helping
got a
Bob
lot
is
of.
Bob skipping me.
Yeah.
I've got a lot of stuff backed up here. What?
What?
What in the fuck?
That's another
Oh.
5
Copies. Okay.
Oh,
That's not what I was hoping for.
Oh,
The copycat.
Ooh, man, look at all those good cards I got. Ooh,
Oh,
baby.
All right, let's see what else is in store.
Let's all just. Alright, we're back to start.
Yeah.
Glow bar is there. Glow
We
bar.
might as well have not done anything, honestly.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God for you, Wade. You're a saint.
Oh,
oh no.
You're men.
Oh, hey!
Hey.
Good. This
There
is
you
good.
go.
Everybody,
There you
we're
go,
all
buddy.
happy now. That sucks. Alright, well,
Oh, really?
Oh wow.
just gonna get that out of the way.
Are you?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Tells me. Tells me.
He probably has the other +4.
I think he did. I don't remember.
No, he did.
Hey, just
He
somebody
didn't?
reverse
I thought
this, please.
Mark had one too, and he didn't use it.
How about you have a sweet 8?
Oh no.
Didn't call Uno.
Got you, bitch. Wait, who did we get?
Oh no! Glowbox got to play their 8. Oh.
What the fuck? No,
Oh,
that didn't work out very well.
Glowbox. That's who it is.
Everything is as it should be.
That was very clearly Glowbox's fault for jumping in when they shouldn't have.
Yep, they do that all the time.
Sorry, and Mark win trouble.
Bob disconnected.
Why'd Bob quit?
Bob, where'd you go?
Oh, fucking Barbara came in.
Well,
I'm quitting too.
We're leaving.
Thank God.
Oh, I forgot how this game works, actually.
Yeah, you just stick with us and don't leave.
And he had a good hand too. He got 2 plus 2s and a plus 4.
That was it? Okay, good. Can I get an invite?
You
Just
already.
join.
What's another one again?
No.
Can I get an invite?
God
Can I
damn
get
it.
it in right?
I'd like an invite, please.
You just join, do it
I
yourself.
want an invite. I'm like a vampire. I can't enter the lobby until I get an invite.
I sent you another
I
one.
don't see it. Where?
It's in where the invites go.
There's a
that?
third one.
I don't see it.
Can you accept the third one?
No, I don't see it. There's nothing.
He's playing the goddamn thing, isn't he?
No, I'm not. I actually.
Is that a recording? Is this a recording too?
No.
There is your goddamn invite. Just get the fuck.
Wade's getting mad.
No, I won't. No,
I'm
I
joining
won't.
the game. I'm joining the game.
No, I won't.
I didn't get an invite. I will be very clear. I didn't get an invite. You can watch the video.
No, I won't.
didn't get an invite.
Yep.
Yes, I agree.
Fuck you. No Barbara. Just give us Glowbox again. Oh God, Barbara's such a bitch.
I thought we weren't doing Rayman.
It's Barbara.
I thought we were never playing Rayman again.
Oh, I'm not letting her hit me with. Oh, see? Look what the fuck happens
Go
when
right
you
off
play
the
with
bat.
Barbara.
I don't believe that. That's right off the bat.
Ah.
Look what happens when you play with Barbara.
Okay.
Huh?
Bob's like,
Wait, no, not that
wait.
one.
I don't care if I win. My only okay. Well, I won't do anything this round. But man, in the future, I'm gonna fuck Barbara over.
You right. You right.
Yeah, Barbara. Information about you doing nothing now. Where's that? Where's that now?
This is Barbara's fault.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Wait, listen, hey.
This is awkward.
Hang on a minute.
oh no.
Bro, that's really mean.
Yeah, it sure was when you did it to me too.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
We are like on the second round. How do you have so many cards?
It's your fucking hand.
What did I do?
How do you have so many cards, stupid?
Oh, okay. Well, you got me there. You really got me there.
God damn it.
Is
I don't remember
really Mark, is that
changing.
recording?
Huh? What?
I feel like this is all just marked recording.
You right.
You right.
Oh, let me play.
No.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Fuck Barbara.
All right. Oh fuck.
You right.
All right.
You right.
You right.
God damn it.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Oh no.
He's just having fun with the soundboard now.
Barbara.
Barbara.
Get me, Barbara.
You
I see
right.
you right there. I see you right there, Barbara. Whose turn? Who's on left? Fuck!
Wait, you can't fucking play.
Why did you
Eat
stupid?
a giant
damn it,
pile of
motherfucking
shut the fuck up.
Eat a such a... Oh, shut the fuck up.
God damn it.
No!
Shut up. Thanks, bud. Oh, well, there's kind of a
Oh, no.
problem with
Oh,
this.
God.
Oh well,
Yeah,
there's
Mark.
Bob.
Yeah, could have thought of that through there, sir.
See,
Kind of a fundamental problem over there.
I see what you're talking about.
Oh God, Jim. Sorry, I'm gonna lie.
Wait, what? What language did you just speak?
You got him.
No!
Wow.
In call Uno.
Hey, there's one.
All right.
Hey,
well,
that's the one.
long way around the
draw.
bend to go.
That's
to
right,
oh,
draw,
that's,
you bitch.
Oh, no.
Shit.
And he has a 7, too.
Oh.
Suck, dragon.
Well.
And thank God Barbara had 15 cards.
And he gets the 7 back.
Nobody did anything.
Oh, hey, guess who doesn't have any goddamn red? Bob doesn't.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, I didn't have any red either, so enjoy that.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Oh shit!
Still, there is still not a goddamn red card in his fucking hand. Because possibly
I
red
don't
card.
have red cards. I don't know what you're saying.
Ah, no one has red. What?
Here, Barbara,
cool,
tell him.
cool.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, tell him, Barbara.
No!
Wade.
Play!
What is this?
Let's see. Maybe you have some red, huh? No.
No!
Of course he doesn't have red.
Don't look. Try this.
No, stop. Wait. Stop it.
There.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, no. Well, it autoplayed.
Oh,
Okay.
not red. No one has red. Oh, good.
I'll take that.
It's okay. It's okay.
I don't like that shit, that rule either.
Enjoy
I turn
your
that off.
Cards.
What are you, a robot?
Hey, Mark,
Go
listen.
yours.
Hey,
Not
buddy.
Cards.
I'll give you another chance. Oh,
Give you another
no.
chance.
buddy, friend of mine.
Oh, take that, Barbara. You fuck.
Oh man, this is the same problem. Fuck.
What color do you need, Bob?
I can't do. I mean, blue. I could do some stuff. I
You
guess.
got it. You got it, buddy. I'm here
Yeah,
for you.
Oh, jump in.
Sorry. I tried.
Oh god. Ah!
Wow. Okay.
I
Well,
listened.
that really didn't work out for me.
Tried to
Okay.
help you, and then
Alright, let's
Uno.
That's not good. Good.
Give it to red.
Make it
Alright.
blue.
Make it red. Make it red. He doesn't have red. He doesn't have red.
What I need.
Oh, that's even better.
Well,
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's good. That's
I
good.
just
That's
took the biggest Dickens.
Oh,
The
well,
biggest
man,
Dickens? Okay.
We're buddies on that one. That's
And you
good.
act
Sure,
like I have a
buddy.
choice in
Hey,
anything
buddy.
I do,
Oh!
Bob.
Ah!
Any
no.
part of this game is a choice.
There, have 2 cards.
Thank you.
Well, that's you're really just giving the game away there, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
kinda. No one has red, so they're all fucked.
Where
I
did you
have
get red?
It was in your hand. I don't.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah. How do you not know?
Barbara, taking over Mark again.
Well, can I clone the +4 to win?
Yes, apparently.
Hey! And I know what color it should be.
You had green. I don't believe you.
I didn't
I
have
know
green.
you.
Oh, I did have green.
Oh.
Well,
Fucking take it. Now I got it. God damn it. Okay, that's alright. Ooh.
just whatever, I guess.
Alright, well, I still don't have fucking red or goddamn nothing.
Where are all these reds coming from?
What happened to you?
I'm not. Oh yeah. Well, okay.
Not challenge.
Right.
Yeah, stop. I don't know how many cards Mark has, but it looks like a lot.
What do you think? A lot of cards he has.
You have the fart cloud.
Oh yeah, you can't see it. It's just a bunch of smoke.
You did not fart it up.
Whoa. I just needed to do that for science.
All right. Red.
No, God, you fucking.
Yeah, that's good.
Good.
I hate
You like red?
wall.
You
No.
like red?
Oh, wait.
No.
Shut up. Eat it.
Oh no.
No, baby, no.
Oh.
Do it, Barbara. Do it real good. Yeah, I got one of those too.
I got one of these.
Well,
Should have given me your hand, Barbara.
I'm sorry. I'm just enjoying.
Oh, poor Mark. He has to keep drawing a bunch of cards.
I hate everything about Barbara, and she just. Oh, you're kidding me.
okay, well, I guess I'll just play that one then. That's good. Oh boy. Okay, thanks,
Take it
bud.
red again. Yeah, you're welcome.
That's a good. That's cool. Oh, well,
Bob's like,
oh man, it's so good.
Hey,
That's
666.
fun.
Yeah.
Thanks, dude. Oh, you did it just for me. So I'm keeping that. I'll play that one. That's good.
Hey, Barbara, you
you
have
want-
this shit back.
You want my? No, listen, bud. Hey, wait.
No, I want Barbara to draw for the
Here,
fucking
I
red.
No, wait. We could play a game.
Oh.
Oh boy. Oh no. No, that's the.
Ah.
Wait, listen.
Poor
wait,
Mark.
we're
Can he win a game?
Okay, it's like
What
that
is
song
color?
movie.
What is it yellow?
It's yellow, yeah.
Yeah.
Every color.
Alright.
It was more like gold.
Okay, get him. Do it, Barbara. That's.
There you go, still yellow.
Oh.
Oh, fuck.
Ah.
Oh.
Okay, well, just no. Well, you could We can play.
Oh God.
No.
Another 7.
No.
Take Wade's hand.
It's fine. You totally get it.
And Mark takes it.
Listen, oh, dude, you got even more than it looked like. Wow, look at all these great cards. Here, Wade. I have a present for you.
Barbara gets the hand again.
Cards.
Oh man, I got my hand back. Oh, I love this hand. It's a good hand. I'm feeling positive about this, guys.
Oh man.
Red.
What the fuck?
Oh man, it's red. Oh, that's blue. That's good too. Oh, thanks, buddy. Yes, I didn't have one, so you saved me there.
Why don't you use the skips?
Oh, double 3. Look
He has
out.
one. He has 2 cards. Barbara has 2 cards. He's got an Uno.
No.
What the fuck, dude?
Wow.
Should have used the skips.
Wow.
Should have skipped him twice. Or her. I don't give a fuck.
Horrible. Come on, buddy.
Oh my God.
Good play. Good play.
Wade's tied. Wade's mad. Wade is livid.
Game, guys. 3s back to back, just 1s back.
You
to
wanted
back.
this deck and you wanted Barbara. This is what you signed up for.
Hey, I'm having a great time.
Don't.
Whoa, calm down, man. It's just a game. It's fun.
Here, Bob.
Well, you have to be mad. It's only a game.
I got a good
Pay it forward. Pay it forward.
Enjoy that.
Pay it forward.
Enjoy
Pay it
that,
forward.
my man. Okay,
Pay it
well,
forward.
Oh my God.
the swippity swap.
Ah,
Not the Barbara. it's
give it back.
What's the Harvard guy?
Swippity swap?
No. Why?
Oh, wait.
Why?
You want Barbara's hand? I think you
Yeah, I
want
think I
Barbara's
want
hand.
that. I wanted that with that
No,
one.
you wanted this hand. This hand
No,
was
I meant the
so
hand that
good.
Barbara didn't have yet.
Oh, this hand is so
Oh, okay.
fuckable. You wanted this hand.
Whoa, that's aggressive.
That's a little-
That's aggressive.
It's gonna calm it down
Now
a little
listen,
bit.
that's not
Everybody
necessary.
relax.
That's not
It's
necessary.
fine.
Jump in.
No, good. Oh, yeah, red.
Wade.
Here we go!
No.
What is this shit?
What is this shit?
Oh, look at that yellow. Oh, man. That's wild. All those 3s in there. Look at that. That's crazy.
Good choice, Bob. Good choice.
Oh,
Why do we need to
yeah.
choose in life?
Okay,
Wow,
never mind.
yellow again. Wow, man. Barbara's got the yellow going on over there.
Great.
Great.
Barbara.
Oh God.
You did nothing. Barbara, get out. $5.
They didn't call Uno.
Barbara.
I don't understand what's happening. Wow, that played would have thought that would
Wade is so fucking done. Wade is livid as hell.
Man.
Sounds like me when I play Uno. Wade's dying.
Wow. Oh, that's unfriendly. That's aggressive. I feel
It's
threatened.
fine. I'm just joking.
Here we go. I don't know.
Yeah, do it, buddy.
Ooh, good pick. Oh, wait.
Oh, dude, I don't believe you.
Oh my God. Poor Wade. He's got 13 cards. He's got the whole deck.
Everything's fine.
Ah, that's cute. Oh, that's a winner.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
What you
yeah.
gonna do?
I'm gonna live the life. That's what I'm gonna do. The
Yeah,
life.
yeah.
That's a
Oh,
good life.
that's a
That's
good
good.
choice.
That's a good choice.
That's a good
Good
one, right?
choice.
Am I right?
That's a good
Am I right?
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Oh, it sure is.
Oh no.
Dude, that dragon needs a lot of cards.
Dude,
Oh,
I
fuck
love
you,
it.
Barbara.
I love it when you laugh, Wade, because I know you're having fun.
Even though I'm he's angry as hell.
A happy dude.
Dude.
Yeah. Jovial, some might say.
Oh, I'm fucking happy as a fucking lark.
Yeah, I can tell.
What?
It
A
sounds
lark?
it sounds
What?
Good.
You're always happiest when you curse. I know that. We
Oh,
know this.
yeah,
Everyone
dude, you
knows
know me. When I'm in there getting the Dickens, I'm really giving it.
Oh man,
Yeah.
Mark outplayed. Oh,
Mark had to look like
hey.
what?
Oh, all right, just a friendly little 9 here.
this.
Okay, change the goddamn.
Oh why? Why?
See you later, hand.
Cool.
Dude.
Cool, yeah, cool.
You're handing him the win, you dumb fuck.
Good one.
Good play, everybody. Wow, what a color
Ah,
change.
good color. Look at that.
What the fuck's the matter with you?
What
Are
a
the cards?
winner.
There we
Are
go.
the cards?
And this one.
Which
Pretty-
one?
Did you do that on purpose?
No, what you have? Did you have yellow?
Wow. You dummy. You should have just used the reverse instead of using the 0, you dumb fuck.
You sure do,
I have
don't you?
to remember.
You
Yeah,
dumb
sure be
fuck,
kidding, huh?
Mark.
Ben, my positive attitude.
Okay, Jack.
There, I just sailed through that.
Alright.
Oh,
And I
my
just got an
What a
email from
cunt.
YouTube that my YouTube video about shit is suitable for all advertisers.
Monetization.
Good, thanks, Emmanuel.
Demonetized.
No. Yeah, so shit's cool, guys. Hard shits are cool.
It's cool. All good. All good.
There we go.
Ooh, I got one of those.
9. Oh, dude. Lay it on me.
+2.
Barbara.
Ooh, God.
No. Thank God.
Am I right, everybody?
Oh!
Barbara. Yeah.
Wait, what are you doing here? Come on, stop leading with Barbara.
Wait.
Oh,
come on.
I didn't have a choice.
Oh,
Much I
I know
do.
she's
I-
what?
Wow.
Yeah.
Fucker.
That seems to be exactly what she's going to do.
I wish
I
I could
know.
record you guys' sound bites. As I just went, wait, fucker.
Hey, that's
I'm just kidding, Wade. You don't do that.
Oh, come on, man.
No,
Come on, guys. Come
No,
on.
well, hey, oof, man, yellow, that's too rich for me. I can't afford yellow stuff. You know how much more expensive yellow stuff is than other stuff. How about red? You like red?
Why that color?
Red's fine.
Just testing the
Red's not
waters.
fine.
Oh,
That's
fuck.
not fine.
Red's
not
fine. Red's fine.
I regret
Red's
everything.
fine. Red's a great color. Let's just leave it alone.
Oh my God.
Hey, listen.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Barbara.
Set that up so goddamn perfectly.
Oh, no.
Oh my God!
Oh. This part's after you've already won.
Wade is so fucking done.
Okay, Barbara.
Fuck Barbara.
totally did that one.
I know.
This is Barbara's fault.
I did nothing. I did. Fucking you won't. Because you know what you did, Barbara.
God damn it.
Fucking happy, peaceful music bullshit. Fuckers.
Fucker.
This is a party.
Fucker.
That's fine.
Oh my God, my hand played so goddamn beautifully, like a fucking violin in the cello of night.
Okay.
Yeah.
You
Barbara's
right.
like, "No, I have
You right.
0 I can
You
play."
right.
'Cause fucking me.
Right.
You right.
You right.
Shut up.
You right.
You fucker.
Fucking Barbara.
Fucker.
Barbara.
The soundboarding. Do a prank call with that shit. That would be fucking hysterical.
You right.
Oh,
You right.
no.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, we're here to have a good time, but I'm not trying to just let you win like Wade does.
Hey, here, Bob, let's play a fucking game.
I got garbage. Have fun.
I feel like
take back.
you sounded
Wait,
like
Bob,
you got drunk halfway
take it
through
back.
that sentence.
No.
Why me? Why me? Oh, I guess
You're handing him the win, you dumb fuck.
Not me!
All right.
That's pretty
Why
cool.
not me?
Pretty cool.
Hey, I like this hand.
Why not me?
I don't
Oh,
know.
yeah, fucking 4, but I'm just gonna play.
I would let you win, Mark, but I have to play this. I'm sorry.
That's
You
okay.
dumb fuck.
I think Barbara's probably going to give you the victory, though.
Uh-oh.
Oh, she's going to try. Come on, Barbara. You know what color it needs to be.
You say no, I
or
say
what
yes.
number?
Yeah, wait, yes. Barbara, no.
Oh my God. Wade is so done.
Good game. Good. Unbelievable game, Mark.
That scream, Barbara.
Oh, wait.
Why
last
everyone but
place.
me?
All
That's
right.
Mark. That was a good
Because
game,
it's
man.
you,
That was a good
Wade.
game, Mark.
That was a good game. That felt good.
GG.
You're right. God damn it.
Yeah.
that rage,
Wow, why didn't...
that
That's not
anger.
what I clicked on, but okay.
Holy
Oh,
shit.
Wait, here. I've got a good hand. You can have it. Ooh, you got
Oh,
some
God.
special cards in here.
Oh, please. Please.
Let me take a look.
Oh, God.
Check that shit out, man. That's crazy. Right?
Oh, look at that.
Party like this.
Hey, this is pretty
I
good.
gotta change my
Oh, no.
God
That's what
damn
it is.
fucking bullshit.
Wait, do you remember how bad I lost at Trouble? You just gotta take the good with the bad, man.
It's fine. I'm
It's
fine.
okay. It's okay,
I
buddy.
just hate Barbara so
You
much.
don't sound fine. You sound like you're having trouble. You sound you need to take a breath.
I
you
feel
know?
like you're projecting a lot of your own insecurities on Barbara. And it,
Yeah, this is come on, Dr. Phil, lay it on me.
Okay, my own Dr. Phil, lay off me.
Feel this rage. Dude, ask yourself, who am I really mad at? I think we all know
Barbara?
you're mad at yourself. No,
I'm mad
no,
at
that's just
Why the green?
that's just deflection. No, wait, you gotta be honest with yourself. You gotta,
Barbara is
Why they green?
no,
Why
see,
do I
that's
want
just
green?
one thing again. Wait, you're projecting, you're deflecting, you're defending. See, but that's not Barbara's fault. That's the heart of the cards.
Barbara
That's
just
what that
donating
is.
it. Why not you? Because you blame me for things like this. Fuck you, Barbara. You're not interested in any of this.
I accept
Evil.
your +4, Mark. Your
Thank
with
you.
open arms, I accept
I guess
it.
by the
Thank
transit property, I also accept your +4 because fuck everything I was gonna do.
all right.
Well, that's
Oh, shit.
That's something. Wait, can you do anything about this? I don't know. I think
I don't
Barbara
remember
might
what the
win. I
card
think
is.
she's got it.
All right.
You really gotta pay attention, man. All right. How about
Does
green?
anyone have a yellow too? Or anyone have a green 3? You guys have a green 3?
Go fish.
It's not go
buddy.
fish, Wade. It's
Go
not
fish.
go fish.
Wait, go fish, fucker.
Alright, green 9 it is, I guess. What do you got, Barbara? Let's watch you see if you win. A fucking 4. Fuck you.
Wade, I still feel like you're not taking responsibility for your own actions here.
I'm
lot of-
fucking responsible as shit right now.
Please, fucking use the 7. Use the fucking 7 and give it to her. Give it to Barbara.
Isn't it a
Give that
blue
to
4, so I
Barbara.
can't play my fucking red 4. God damn
Yeah,
it.
yeah, it's a blue 4. Watch out for that. You could just let.
No.
No!
Hey, everybody gets a turn. Why can't Barbara win?
Yeah.
She did! 2 games ago!
No, I don't remember that.
Oh,
Nah,
fuck
do you?
you!
I don't.
You're just feeling.
I did.
Just so angry right now, Mark. Can you?
I'm not
Oh,
angry.
Jesus Christ.
I'm happy as
Oh.
Hey, Barbara, you know what to do. Well, she's
That feels
she's
so
an
good in my
person.
goddamn loins.
All right, that's creepy, Wade. You need to.
I know.
You need to calm down.
You know it.
Oh
What do you
no.
got back there, Wade?
Got 2 blues, a yellow, and a very good +4. Now
You were right. Yeah, you were right. You're right.
Sure, I didn't get to jump in, because fuck everything.
Now I don't know. Now I don't know if it's really you or the recording. That's terrifying.
You right. You right. You right. You right. You right.
Shit.
It's like that song. When you put it out that, you put it like that, you put it like that. You right, you right.
One of these things.
Uno.
Jesus.
Then we'll never have to talk again.
Mine's ordered.
Do a challenge
Oh,
where we have to
Uno.
record conversations or phrases, and then try and have a whole stream where we communicate using only the phrases.
Oh, that'd be great.
That's not a good colorway. That's a rough. It's not a. You know what? I could use some more cards. That's what I could use.
Somehow, 2 people just gifted subs to fucking Barbara.
Holy sweet Jesus, chat.
Uh-oh.
Are they
I
different?
didn't...
Suck
That
Dragon!
just happened.
Oh man, all my wild draw 4s are gonna just get spread around the entire earth.
Alright, well, let's just get this party started right away.
Yeah, I don't have one of those.
Okay, never mind.
I appreciate the sentiment though.
I thought we were all just gonna fuck each other right there, but I guess none.
I mean...
No, I don't think they had it. Oh shit.
Goddamn fucking sequel, sorry, Bob.
Oh
I don't know
no.
why you assume the worst in me. I'm here to be your friend, man.
Oh, I'm here to fuck everyone.
I'm a collector of cards. I'm here to be your friend. He's got blue and red.
I'm gonna give this to you, Bob. This is going to you next.
I feel as though...
Leave it red so I can give Bob this card.
I didn't mean
No,
to click
nah,
that. I
I'm
didn't
gonna-
mean to click that, actually.
I'm gonna switch this around
That's
a
a
little
good
bit.
move.
Yeah, I'll correct your error, Mike. I'll
accidentally-
correct your error.
If Barbara gets in...
Oh, good job, Barbara. Good.
Oh god.
Damn it!
Wait.
Oh!
Oh, yes, Barbara, please. I could have...
Oh my god!
Hey! Good play, Barbara. Good play.
Oh my god. Fuck Barbara. Oh my god, Wade was fucking livid. He was mad at Barbara. Like, what did Barbara ever do to you? That's how mad he was. Like, no matter what, like, Wade just gets so fucking mad at Barbara. Like, Barbara hands the win to Bob or Mark, but not to Wade. That's pretty funny. And every time, like, Wade doesn't win, he would just go nuts and go, "Fuck you, Barbara!" Oh my god. He sounds like me when I'm playing Uno. It's just, when I play Uno against bots, oh my god, it almost seems like they know what I have in my hand. They know what I have. It's almost like they know what cards I have, and they just purposely change the color to make sure I don't fucking draw, that I draw more cards. To make sure I draw more cards and not put them down. Or they jump in when I'm about to go, which sucks. So, yeah, that was just, I feel Wade's, I feel Wade's pain. But speaking of Uno and myself, I've mentioned this before in a couple of other videos in the past, that I wanted to start doing a series on playing Uno on the Xbox One, PS4, and then Nintendo Switch. And we'll switch I'll switch to different consoles every time to try to play against some new people, whatever, blah blah blah. But this is why I reacted to today's video, is just to plug the upcoming video that I have in mind, that's already been filmed, mind you. I got a pilot episode of Uno, me playing Uno. And I don't know when it will be coming out, and hopefully by this week. I have no idea when, but I'll let you know when it comes out, or but yeah, I'm just here to let you guys know that there is an episode of Uno coming out, a pilot episode of Uno. It's just a test the waters, and in this video, all I do is play against bots. It's a test out how you like me to play Uno. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna play against bots only. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna play against people, but I want to play against people with specific rules on. I don't want to play with that 7-0 rule. I don't want to play with that 7-0 rule, or the challenge, the +4s. Like, you'll see when it comes out what rules I prefer playing with. So, be on the lookout for that. I don't know when, but be on the lookout for it. So, that is officially it on today's reaction video. I hope you guys enjoyed, because this was pretty fun to watch and laugh at Wade's misery because of Barbara. You right. You right. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's reaction. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Be sure to ring that bell to be part of the notification squad. Be sure to also check out my Instagram, because I make cool ads of Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, even myself. I also do reenactments and cosplays on there, so go check it out. Be sure to also check out my Tumblr, it's in the description as well. Ow, my funny bone. I banged my elbow right into my dresser here. Ow. So until next time, JRDL96 signing out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.